vacant land, for industry or for the home, it can be relied upon to withstand the rigours of the many service conditions to which it may be exposed. Tableware, kitchen utensils, domestic appliances, cutlery and flatware are designed on the most modern lines. They are labour-saving, easy to clean, and will last a lifetime. On motor cars, it has proved its value for bright trim and accessories in resisting the hazards of road conditions, particularly in the winter months. In consequence, car cleaning becomes less of a chore. Regular washing with hot soapy water is all that is needed to maintain the attractive lustre. Fatigue in gardening, too, is greatly reduced with stainless steel implements. Heavy soil doesn't clog the blade, and cleaning is simple. The development of stainless steels has had far-reaching effects in other fields too. In the brewing industry, where it has been employed for more than 30 years, there is an ever-increasing demand for stainless steel beer containers. Designed for robust service and easy handling, these containers can be cleansed and sterilized quickly and effectively. They are interchangeable for the storage and transportation of carbonated beer without the least risk of tainting or transfer of flavour. Even on the dairy farm, stainless steel is making life easier for the herdsman and helping to safeguard the nation's milk supply. The bulk collecting system, devised and operated by the Milk Marketing Board, eliminates the need for churns, since the milk is taken directly from the cow and filtered into refrigerated tanks. Consequently, the risk of bacteria contamination or souring during hot weather is eliminated, and the milk is stored under ideal conditions. Fleets of stainless steel road tankers make daily collections at all farms within the scheme. The tankers are refrigerated to protect the milk during transportation to the dairy. This dairy at Ruislip, Middlesex, one of the most modern in the country, is equipped to handle 500,000 pinters every day. On arrival, sample tests are made, and the milk is then discharged into 6,000-gallon storage tanks, after which it is pasteurized and cooled. Bottle washing plant and filling machines make extensive use of stainless steel and complete the processing cycle. In short, from cow to consumer via stainless steel. In the chemical industry, stainless steel is equally prominent. The manufacture and handling of corrosive substances and medical preparations are largely dependent on the strength and corrosion resistance which our materials provide in production plant equipment. Similarly, in the exciting world of man-made fibres, polymer chips, which form the basic ingredient used in the production of dry nylon, are transported in special containers constructed from stainless steel plate. These containers are completely corrosion resistant and protect the material under all conditions. Leaving industry for a moment, take a look at these golf clubs. Recognize the stainless steel heads? Just watch this shot. Here's another unusual application which reduces polishing time at one of Sheffield's fire stations. There's no likelihood of splinters from this slide pole. It's one of several fabricated from stay-bright stainless steel. Messing about in boats has become one of the most popular sports in Britain during recent years. There's an ever-increasing demand for fittings and accessories in our stay-bright FMB steel for small craft, just as much as ocean-going luxury yachts. Afloat or ashore, on motorboats or motorbikes, stainless steel improves performance. All the original bright parts of this motorcycle have been replaced in stainless steel. And even after a hard ride in the severest weather, a wash down in hot soapy water restores the original luster of the brightwork. Since 1931, Rolls-Royce have used stainless steel for both functional and decorative components of their cars. On the one hand, silencers and exhaust systems, and on the other, their famous radiator grille. On the North American continent, stainless steel railway coaches are an everyday sight. Attractive appearance and reduced maintenance are only two of the advantages. From the early days of aviation, we have pursued a program of continuous research into new steels for aeronautical applications, from airframe parts for early machines to annular components produced as century spinnings for turbojet engines. The Bristol T-188, Britain's first supersonic research aircraft, was constructed almost entirely from our special steels. The knowledge gained from this experimental project will provide vital information in the development of aircraft of the future. These brief glimpses have shown you how stainless steel has met the challenge of progress through half a century. What of the future? Architecture is just one of the new and exciting applications. The Millbank Tower, which stands majestically on the Thames embankment, is a striking example of the effect which can be achieved with stainless steel. For the citizen of the future, there's a whole world of stainless steel. He can be confident we shall continue our policy of research into new steels and the development of new fabricating techniques and applications. As he ponders these things, let us remind you that our sales and technical service is based on the knowledge and experience gained over 50 years and is freely available to designers, engineers and fabricators. In fact, to everyone concerned with the use of stainless steel, whether it be for pen nibs, pressure vessels, teapots or turbines. Tomorrow's horizons are wide indeed. For the citizen of the future, the choice